Server-side rendering (SSR) is a technique used in web development where the server generates a fully rendered HTML page and sends it to the client's web browser to be displayed. In simpler terms, it means that the server creates the final web page with all of its content and sends it to the user's browser, instead of relying on the browser to load and execute all of the necessary JavaScript code to display the page. In traditional client-side rendering, the browser would have to wait for all the JavaScript code to load and execute before the content can be displayed. This can lead to slower page load times and poor user experience, especially on slower connections. However, with SSR, the server sends a fully rendered HTML page to the browser, which can display the content right away, providing a faster and more seamless user experience. SSR is beneficial for several reasons. For example, it improves website performance by reducing page load times, which is important for user experience and SEO. Additionally, it can improve accessibility and search engine optimization, as the fully rendered HTML pages can be more easily crawled and indexed by search engines. However, implementing SSR can be more complex than traditional client-side rendering, as it requires server-side infrastructure and additional considerations around caching and data management. Nevertheless, it's a powerful tool for modern web development, especially for large-scale and dynamic applications.